Oh!
This is gonna be interesting.
I'm trying to plan an EDD.
Interesting.
Oh man, I don't even want to. I'm not even.
You two dumbasses running around is the best shit ever.
Oh god.
I'm not even gonna try.
So, what's your sensitivity at right now?
80.
So I've got.
God, shut your mouth. Was I talking to you?
All right, let's check it. Let's check it before we get too crazy about this pack opening. Control it. There we go. That's 18 and 30, I guess. Vertical and horizontal. Is that what the sensitivity goes off in this game?
Yeah.
18.
Do you have a low vertical then?
I was told not to have my vertical too high because you don't really need to go up and down. It's more of the side swiping thing.
It's pretty blurry for whatever reason. I can't read it yet. I just now got there too.
Okay. Anyway, so that's what I'm starting off with. And I guess I'll go one up on both of them for each one.
Yeah.
Alright. There it is, 100 packs. Let's give it a whirl.
Give me a second.
Don't need to wait for the kid. Alright.
I want to know...
What should I do? Should I open up the 83 Alphas first or the 17? I'm going to open up the 17 Bravos.
Do the Bravos first.
Do the Bravos first? Alright.
Yeah.
First Bravo.
Bravo's usually
It's a blue. Miss. Hey, you want some sushi?
Have you got 17 Bravo packs you ain't open?
Yeah. Alright.
You're skipping these up on purpose.
I was. Oh, another purple. Okay, I'm getting some weapon skins.
So,
interesting term.
would you be able to screen share as well? Or do you think that would
Maybe.
be too much for you? For your internet?
I mean, I do have the thing open as well.
Oh, that's a cool ass one. Fucking. Never mind.
Alright. Anyways, let's keep opening these. It's first. Oh, we got a legendary. Hey! That's the other piece I needed for that, since I already had the headgear.
I'm still watching your alibi opening.
Yeah, I'm seeing Turbo.
We're just
Alright, one black ice.
Don't spoil it.
That's one sensitivity.
Is anybody keeping tally of this?
I got one. I'll keep it down.
One church.
Yeah, we got
What's after
one.
I mean, for after the 100.
Alright, some Rooney stuff. Yeah, one in the chat. Let's get some ones in the chat.
Hey, I gotta keep mine somewhere.
Ooh, I like that headgear.
Was that the, do you have on a Rooney the skin from the, Halloween event?
Yeah. I have the face for that too.
I think that's where I got the Trapkin from. Was from
Nope, another legendary. Oh, of course it's a frickin' visual skin. Why wouldn't it be?
Hell yeah.
Did you get the crash test dummy?
I think that is the crash test of
That's
the
what
chest.
you're looking for.
That's the
That is
meta.
crash test. Yeah.
Oh, another legendary back to back.
And you need the mod.
How is that a legendary?
What's that?
It's just a plasma pink for Callie's weapon.
And I think that's a universal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a universal.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, I know people were hunting for that. Ooh.
Yeah.
3 legendaries in a row. Okay, cleaning service. Is this for the mop head?
Did you get the
Yeah,
mop head?
No, I got the cleaning service weapon
Oh, we got the
skin.
skin. Oh, wow.
That sucks. I'm going for the mop head.
I got the mop head. I got the body. I don't have the weapon skin for that
Cool
yet.
little red death skin there. Getting
I think that's what I have on my Nook right now. Is that the whole?
tunnel.
I just don't have the. I don't have the weapon skin for that.
Alright.
Give up something good with
Where's my Nook at?
We end the Bravos with a little milkshake charm. Alright, now on to the Alphas. We're 17 packs in, we only got to count on one. These are probably going to be pretty boring.
I hope you get like
imagine.
fucking 12.
You get that skin.
I only got one black ice out of the 50 I bought.
Damn, really? Is black ice just like hard to get or something?
I don't even know why people like it so much.
I mean, I got a few black ice skins, I think.
Getting a lot of junk here. Kind of a lot of meh. Kind of a lot of meh.
Alpha packs have been disappointing lately.
Yeah.
it. It's good just like
I don't know about this green. Like, everyone's got this weird green camo. It's like not that interesting.
No.
first.
Yeah.
Weird
I don't know about
green
that.
camo.
Oh, we got a purple finally.
Glare.
I think that's is that a duplicate? It's a duplicate. First duplicate. Give me that right now.
You should do black ice and duplicates.
Yeah, I think that's what Chaotic said. But just keeping it simple.
That's 2 so far.
It's not 2. It's 1.
No, that's 2. We're gonna count that.
We're not counting duplicates. I just got another duplicate.
That's 3. That's 3 so far.
Do we put?
Duplicates?
Oh
2
my
duplicates.
god. Jesus.
Damn, did
That was purple.
Kind of renown you get for
Blood orange. Yeah, that's a lot of renown, isn't it?
It's like
I get.
looks like 2,500 for these.
Yeah. Alright. Nobody uses gridlocks assault rifle. Probably people will start using it someday.
Black eyes, 2 duplicate. You spelled duplicate wrong, Dallas.
You try really hard.
What the fuck? Devil sights?
Duplicates.
No, that's not duplicates. That's devil
That's
sights.
Alright.
I'm having a brain aneurysm just trying to read that.
Yeah, alpha packs are just not cracked. Oh, we got legendary. Oh, of course.
I keep looking over at the stream and it's like 4 packs behind.
Yeah.
It's freaking
Like, damn
Mozzie headgear.
Oh.
Never gonna use it. I've seen that
I got
before in
that
game
gr-
too.
I think I have that one. Like, yeah, like,
Gold.
I'm like 3 or 4 behind. Bash is like, there's a legendary, and I'm waiting to see a legendary pop. It's like green. I'm like,
Exactly what I just said.
My first fuse part.
First what?
Fuse item. Not very good
Yeah, I
though.
got much for Fuse for some reason. Like, they must have not made a lot of shit for him.
Just
Purple. Nope. The black ice. Oh, another purple?
Green.
No.
There's purple.
3 purples in a row. There's another black ice.
We're going up 6 now.
What is this for? The MP5. That's a good one for black ice. We're going up to 6. It's 2. That's 2. Can I get 2s in the chat? Can I have
6? We're at 6.
I thought he was being serious. I lost track.
Oh man.
Sebastian, maybe for the black ices you should change your vertical, and for the dupes change your horizontal.
5 each. Why did I?
We're gonna have to add a multiplier then to
A multiplier?
to be like black ices.
Alright, I'm halfway through. And I've gotten 2. So that's not bad. It's better than T West did.
Times 5.
Times 5. You guys just want me to suffer.
Well, technically you're doing it to yourself, Ashley. We're just helping.
Doing it for the content. Nice.
Well, I'm at 43 and 53, Fashy.
Dang it.
You guys
So,
are
adding a multiplier would probably not be that bad of an idea.
I think I'm running 2040 on mine.
Million likes this game.
Is that really what you guys is? Dang.
Yeah, I think my vertical's 20 and my
right.
horizontal's 40.
Well, we'll see what it ends up at the end. Oh, we got a purple incoming.
I lost track, guys. What are we at?
We're still only at 2.
2 and 2.
Just 2. Oh, the purple. I think I have that. I think that's a dupe. Yep. Yeah, 2,525 renown. At least for a purple dupe.
Might be able to get 100 more, Vashy.
Yeah. Give me 10 more.
Hell, you only need like, what, 96,000 more?
Need 2,000. Or not 2,000. Dupe black ice. Okay.
So what does that count as?
It is technically a black ice, so I'm gonna have to at least count that as a black
But
ice.
it's
So that's
also
3.
dupe, so you gotta put a tally on both.
I'm not telling you anything about dupes.
You got that black ice in this pack opening.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it's another MP5 black ice. That's a dupe too. Maybe not.
Okay.
A lot of garbage. A lot of garbage. Oh, we got a purple incoming. No. Some skin for a DMR. I think that's probably, what is it? Blackbeard's DMR.
I just saw a purple for Lion DMR.
Oh, that's Lion's DMR?
I don't know. I don't know how far behind you I am.
That was, it was whatever the DMR was.
Okay.
Oil spill.
Yeah, it looked like Lion, Twitch,
Pistol.
and somebody else.
Alright, we got a couple purples here. Oh, another black ice. That's 4. This is for the shoddy.
I got a phone call. Where are we at now?
We're at 4.
4
4 black ices.
4 duplicates.
I just got one right now for the M870 shotgun.
It just came up on the screen. What's in it?
And the ducky charm. Do you even duck?
Because he bought 100 alpha packs.
What? Dude, see, that's the reaction I want from my viewers. Perfect.
What?
Just the high-pitched Fortnite squeal.
That exactly.
Oh my god.
No, you can't keep doing it, Joe.
Yeah, you tell him, Deacon.
Jesus.
Alright, incoming perp. That is a
Deacon in the
dude.
chat.
Deacon in the chat. Do I not? I guess that must be a different pistol. I got a pistol with oil spill earlier.
You got the...
No, yeah, that's a different one.
I mean, it's got to be a different one. Didn't give me any.
Frost. Yeah.
Should just give me a universal ornament for it by now. Down to 18. Incoming perp. Oh, shotgun skin. Pop. I think this is a super shoddy. Oh, we got another perp.
No, it's only a 5% to get a gold.
I got 3 golds in a row.
Wow. Like,
Does that make you like 15% luck?
I guess. That sounds about right.
15 out of 300.
15% luck, 5% skill, 80% team killing. Apparently I'm getting a lot of duck charms.
That adds up.
That does add up. Oh, we got a legendary. We got a Dokkaebee. She's got her Dokka Jammas on.
those first sleepwear.
Got a gold. It's gonna make me stop.
Yeah, we're down into our last 10.
How?
Now, this stream has only been 20 minutes.
First 2 minutes, I don't know.
Oh, we got a legendary. Ah, it's a weapon skin for Jaeger. Man, if I would have counted legendaries too, it would have been a lot. Or not legendaries, but what are they? Epics or I don't know.
No, they're legendaries. You're talking about the
Legendaries.
yellows?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think epic is purple.
Okay. Oh, we got a purple, second to last pack, and that's a dupe. All right, last pack. A little bit of hype. No hype. Perfect. It's a green anyways. All right.
Second to last pack.
So we got 4 black ices. I'll at least go for the double for the sensitivity.
3 times.
3 times you want the 12?
I mean, I would say 4 times for the content.
Oh man.
4 times for the content, definitely.
I got a 4 black
Damn.
ices. On
Oh,
Yeah, it's under your
mine's
sensitivity.
at 13 and 13.
Oh god.
Jesus. I'm at 9 and 5.
Yeah, the lower the worse. So go to 6.
So go to 6.
Because mine are at 6.
Fuck
Dude,
it.
mine are at fucking 10 and 10.
That means you only have to move the analog 6% before you start to get it to actually move on your screen.
Did it actually switch it? Oh!
This is gonna be interesting.
I found the tornado.
I'm trying to plant an EDD.
This is gonna be interesting.
Oh man, I don't even want to. I'm not even.
You two dumbasses running around. It's the best shit ever.
Oh god.
I'm not even gonna try to shoot a drone. I'll probably kill a teammate.
Oh god, this is epic.
Must get all these EDDs off before the rats.
What's gonna be funny is if you guys ever try to play on chaotic.
He's
This is
higher than
100
us.
times worse than me.
I was about to say, is his set higher than yours?
Oh yeah.
Oh god.
Okay, just walk slowly. Don't move the joysticks very much. Just kind of lean into it. Walk real slow.
I've given up.
Oh, they're sensing in.
I fired some bullets at Church. He didn't die. I'm a little sussed out.
Oh shit.
I shot a drone. Drone down. They hit an EDD somewhere. I'm guessing maybe that's from back?
Nah, it's
Or-
the front door.
Oh, that's another EDD.
They're in that little closet.
Oh, I wall banged one. Or sensed him. I got another one!
Jeez.
I'm cracked! I'm fucking cracked!
Swapping hugs.
Was that the
Front
blood?
door. Front door.
Dude!
I thought it was mean.
I randomly killed 2 people through this since freaking.
Something bang, something